How to connect to internet in your Windows device. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can connect to the internet in your Windows device. So before we begin, if you guys are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. So let's get started. Connecting to the internet in your Windows device is really simple. All you have to do is look at the bottom right corner of your Windows device, and there you'll find an option. It can be sound option, it can be your battery option, and your network option, all three together. So after you tap on it, you'll get this section right here. Now right here you will see your Wi-Fi. Make sure that it is turned on, not turned off like this. If it is, simply tap on it and turn it on. After you do that, it will start scanning for available networks. And if you tap on this option right here, it will show you the available networks present in your area. Now simply select your network, and after you select your network, tap on connect. After you do that, you will have to enter your password. So enter your password for that very network. After you do that, tap on next, and it will start connecting to that very network. And as you can see, I've just connected myself to the internet. And it's basically that simple. Thanks for watching guys. That's all for today's video. Stay tuned for more, and bye-bye.